Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's revolutionizing the field of medicine and healthcare: the role of computers. From diagnosis to treatment, computers have become an integral part of modern healthcare. So, let's explore how they are transforming the way we deliver and receive medical care. Computers are transforming healthcare in remarkable ways. They assist medical professionals in several key areas, starting with the process of diagnosis. With the help of electronic health records and advanced algorithms, we can quickly access a patient's medical history, lab results, and imaging reports. This allows us to make more accurate and informed diagnoses. The use of computers doesn't stop at diagnosis. They are also crucial in treatment planning and decision-making. Through sophisticated software and medical databases, we can analyze vast amounts of data, including research studies and clinical trials. This helps us develop personalized treatment plans for our patients. Computers have also greatly improved communication and collaboration among healthcare professionals. Through secure networks and telemedicine platforms, we can easily consult with specialists and share critical information. This enables us to provide comprehensive care, even across long distances. But computers don't just benefit healthcare professionals. Patients also experience significant advantages. Computers are paving the way for groundbreaking advancements in medical research and innovation. Computational models and simulations allow us to study diseases in ways we never could before. We can explore new treatment options and accelerate the development of life-saving drugs. However, as with any technology, there are challenges and concerns that need to be addressed. One major advancement facilitated by computers is the adoption of electronic health records, EHR. These digital records consolidate patient information, allowing healthcare providers to access comprehensive medical histories, test results, and medication details instantly. EHRs improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enable seamless communication between healthcare professionals. Computers have significantly impacted medical imaging and diagnostics. Advanced imaging techniques, such as MRI, CT scans, and ultrasounds, generate vast amounts of data that can be processed and analyzed by computers. This aids in early detection, precise diagnoses, and the development of tailored treatment plans. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence and its revolutionary impact on healthcare. Machine learning algorithms are capable of analyzing massive datasets, identifying patterns, and generating valuable insights. These algorithms can be used to predict disease outcomes, identify potential risk factors, and even personalize treatment plans based on individual patient characteristics. Innovative robotic systems are transforming surgical procedures. Surgeons can utilize robotic arms and precise instruments controlled by computers, enabling minimally invasive surgeries with improved precision, reduced invasiveness, and faster recovery times. Computers have paved the way for telemedicine and remote patient monitoring, bringing healthcare services to patients' homes. Through video conferencing and online platforms, patients can now consult with healthcare professionals remotely, eliminating geographical barriers and enhancing accessibility to medical care. Telemedicine has proven invaluable, particularly in rural areas and during times of crisis. Wearable devices equipped with sensors can continuously monitor vital signs, such as heart rate, blood pressure, and glucose levels. These devices transmit real-time data to healthcare providers, enabling proactive interventions, early detection of complications, and better disease management. As we conclude this video, it's evident that computers are revolutionizing the field of medicine and healthcare. From electronic health records to artificial intelligence and telemedicine, computers are enhancing patient care, improving diagnostic accuracy, and transforming treatment approaches. The possibilities for future advancements are truly exciting. Thank you for joining us today, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on the latest trends in healthcare technology. See you next time.